Hello, I'm Dario and I will be showing you all the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo in crew cab configuration enterprise level trim. This van, like all our vehicles, has undergone 128 points inspection by AAA and it's covered by their warranty for 3 months, plus roadside assistance for the first year, with a single call-out. You can obviously extend both the warranty and get unlimited call-outs here at the dealership. We also protected the paint with a triple layer of Gardex Nano Coat, which will make sure this cumulus grey the vehicle is painted on won't be affected by acidity, rain, tree sap and anything else. This vehicle comes in the Enterprise trim and is the extended L2 model. As you can see from the extension of the rear end over here, you have a sliding door to access the second row of seats, barn style doors at the rear with parking sensors spanning all over the rear bumper. Then on the left side you have the fuel cap, which hides both the diesel and AdBlue cap. And then obviously you got the other sliding door and the passenger door. Let's take a look at the cargo hold now. Once you open the barn style doors, you can see you have a release lever to extend and open this door to 180 degrees. The cargo shape is quite regular. You have a full metal bulkhead with a net just behind the second row of seats. The bulkhead is obviously adjustable and we'll look into that in a minute. So size-wise, you have 120 centimeters in between the wheel arches, 122 centimeters of height to the lowest point of the roof, being the center rib, and depth-wise, you have 136 centimeters fully usable. This is obviously in the 5 seats configuration, but let's take a look at the second row and the opportunity to lower it. The second row of seats is a 3-seat bench with a Gruau system. You can also see the pictogram on how to lower it. So it's quite easy. You have a release lever just behind the bench. Once you lower it, you just follow the guide and then you lift the bottom row. There we go. Once you've done this, you've extended the cargo hold by 60 centimeters in depth. And you still have a protection net over the top. Let's take a look at the cabin now. As you approach the front row, you can see you have 2 fully adjustable and independent seats with adjustable headrest for the driver and the passenger. You have some storage solutions on top of the dashboard, one in front of the driver. And you also notice you have a standalone GPS system on the right, a Teletrack Navman fitted by Citroen. The dashboard, it's got 2 analog clocks and a digital trip computer. You have the regular controls for the light stalk on the left, and on the right for the wipers and the infotainment. You have the dials to correct the height of the light beam, adjust the 2 power mirrors, to turn off the parking sensors and the traction control. You have a CD player for the stereo, AC controls, central locking unit, and the power windows controls. This specific exemplar is a 5-gear transmission model. And over here at the center, you have on the center console 1 sliding storage solution and a cup holder. And these are all the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo Crew Cab Enterprise Edition. For any inquiries, feel free to call us.